Hello friends, welcome to Power BI World. In today's video, we will see how to optimize data for our reporting and visualization tasks in Power BI. So let's get started. So before we start and go to Power BI desktop and optimize our data, let us understand what do you mean by optimizing data into Power BI. Okay. So optimizing data into Power BI means restructuring the data set and filtering out any inaccuracy in the data that we have uploaded in our data models. It also helps maximize the speed with the critical information that can be actioned and used. So what do I mean to say here is, if we import any data, it may contain fields that you don't actually need to your reporting and visualization task. It can be either an extra information, or because the data is already available in some other column, the same data is already available in other column. So what we can do is just restructure the data or remove the inaccuracy in that particular data set is what optimization is. Okay, so in optimization we can also what all things we can do in optimization is, like hiding any of the column which contains the same information in some other column. We can sort the data by ascending or descending orders. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and see a practical example how we can optimize our data into Power BI. Okay, so I am into Power BI desktop, and if you see on the right hand side, I have two tables or two data set that is uploaded into Power BI. So what we will do is use dates table to work or to optimize data into Power BI. Okay, so what I mean here is, I will create a table first to show you what exactly or how we can optimize the data into Power BI. So as I said, optimizing data is nothing but hiding unuseful information or redundant information that is there into your data sets. So let me give you an example on this. So let's take month. Okay, so it is giving me I don't want to summarize this. Okay, so it's giving me this option. Let's take day. That will give me the total days. I don't want to summarize this as well. Okay, let's take it down. Let's take day first, then month. Let's take the month name. Okay, if you see, it is giving me the same information again and again. Let's take year. Again, I don't want to summarize this. So if you see what it is showing me, according to the number of days, it is giving me the month name, year, so on and so forth. Okay, and even I have an option which says as an extract date. So if I click on extract date, it gives me the same information that is required for me to work with my data set. Okay, so what I want is, either I can hide the unnecessary information that is there, which says day, day, month name, year, and so on. If I want, I can hide that, and I can just keep one column which says extract date, so that I get everything into one. So what I have to do to hide all this information which says day, month name, and year, just remove this from this values field. Let's remove the quarter. Okay, so I have year, I have month, I have date. Okay, so let's go to this day option, and you can see the three dots here which says more option. Just click on this option and click on hide. Okay, so what will happen is, your day column will be hidden. Similarly, I don't want the month. I will go to the more option again, click on hide, and this will also get hidden. So what you can do in this particular way, you can hide the columns that you do not want in your data set or in your data fields. So what will happen when you hide this column? The speed of processing data will increase minimum. To unhide all these columns, now what you have to do, just go onto the three dots and click on unhide all. Once you click on unhide all, it will unhide all the columns that you have hidden. If you want to see which are the columns that are hidden, just click on view hidden columns. So if you see, it will give you the columns that are hidden, and the option here is either we want to show that columns or we want to hide that columns. Okay, so if I click on show, okay, so what will happen is this particular column, the day column, will be reflecting in your date table again. Okay, the other option of optimizing data is to sort the data basis your requirement. So you can either sort the data in ascending or descending order. So what you have to do is select any of the column, select this table and go to sort column by. It gives you the option, so which all options are there. You want to sort the column by day, you want to sort the column by extract date, month, year, so on and so forth. So basis your requirement, what you can do is just sort the column whenever and however you want. So as of now, what I've done is I've clicked on sort by another column which says month. So it's giving me an error because there can't be more than one value in a month. Okay, for the same value in day, please choose a different column for sorting or updating the data in month. Okay, so this is what an error that we are getting. So what will happen here is, what we'll do is, instead of this, we will remove the extract date. We will go to the month. We don't want this to be summarized, so by default it will give me the month name. And if I just want to sort that month, go to the sort column, click on month. It will sort the column as per ascending orders, and from here what you can do is sort ascending or descending. You have the option, so whichever option you feel is good for you, you can sort it. Okay, so this is how you can optimize your data in a very simple way. This is just a few basic things how to optimize your data. Apart from this, what you can also do is, if there are numbers in the data that you have, you can also format that data basis your requirement. So that is also known as sorting or optimizing your data. So you can work with your columns the way you want and optimize the way, or sort your data, or structure your data in such a way that it is useful for us to create any reports or visualization task in Power BI. That's all about in this video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.